Hi, this is Tzachi Levent-Levy, CEO and co-founder of testRTC. What I want to show you today is the new test widget that we've added into qualityRTC. You've seen qualityRTC. It is a tool that allows you to do network testing for your users and understand their problems in their homes or their offices. And now I want to show the video test that we've added. We've got essentially three different video tests in qualityRTC. The first one, video bandwidth, where we check the bandwidth estimation available on the connection, okay, for the sender side. Video quality test that is focused on testing against the media server in your backend infrastructure. And now the new video P2P test, which essentially connects the user to another peer-to-peer browser somewhere else and runs a full call with him, an actual session with a machine that is controllable and we know its capabilities. So let's see what that means exactly, this video P2P test. So we've got qualityRTC. This is what the user sees in his browser. It is connected to testRTC. What we do is allocate a machine in the cloud. We've got that capability in our testRTC products, the main testing product that we've started with at testRTC. So allocate a probe dynamically for this specific user for this specific run. This is the remote peer that we connect and conduct a media session with. What does that allow us to do? It allows us, first of all, to check the signaling in your application to see that it's actually working and that you can connect one peer to another. You can control the location of the remote peer, deciding in which data center you want to place it for the test itself. Okay? We are running a specific script for this test and having that integrated into qualityRTC. Then you can decide on the number of peers. In the scenario that we have here in the demo, we have one more peer. You can connect it through an MCU, an SFU, or even just a mesh call with multiple peers, as much as you like, whatever it is that you need in your configuration. And the best thing, it supports both send only, receive only, and send and receive sessions. So if you need, for example, to check the quality of the user network for receiving side, then you can get the testRTC remote peer to be the one that is sending data at a certain quality or bitrate, for example. Okay, so all these things are available. Now let's wait for the test to finish and see the results. So what do we see here? So in the video bandwidth, you see that the estimation is above 300 megabits per second, which seems correct for my kind of a network. Then we see in video quality that we get 1.2, 1.245 megabits per second. That's because this is what the SFU allows us to allocate, the media server that I'm working against. And in the peer-to-peer call that we have, you can see that the incoming bitrate is quite low and the outgoing is 1.5. Okay, so you can see the dynamics here between the incoming data and the outgoing data that is getting collected by qualityRTC and is displayed for you. This new video P2P test is available for those people that need it, and it is highly configurable. It's probably the most configurable widget that we have to date. So check us out at testRTC.com.